Hello, Jason here, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to show you a really simple solution if you're on a shared septic tank. Now there's many problems that come from being on a shared system. So what do I mean by shared system? Well, you've got two houses. This is your neighbour's house and this is your house. Now typically this is how a shared system works. All the sewage waste and the wastewater from house one will leave the house via a pipe down, and all that wastewater will go down into the septic tank here. So all the wastewater goes down from here, goes into the septic tank, and then will soak away into the soil from the soak away here. All right. So many people who live connected to a semi-detached house, or maybe they've got a detached house. Many houses are connected to the same system as their neighbour. So you would have a pipe coming from your house, it would go under your fence, and that would join to the neighbour's septic tank. And so all your waste would leave your house, come down this pipe here into the tank. Now, when you're on a shared system, sometimes it works all right, but 9 times out of 10, there's lots of problems with it. So what kind of problems? Well, I'll just give you the few of the top problems, right? I used to be on a shared system. This is how I got into the business. And our neighbour used to get the tank emptied once, twice, 3 times a week. Now, I had no say over that because the tank was in their garden and it was costing me, right, and the wife, £90 a week. That's what I had to pay every week just because they wanted to get their tank emptied. And there's nothing I could do about it, right? Nothing I could do about it. Every time your neighbour wants to replace their septic tank and soak away, you've got to go halves with them. And there's nothing you can do about it. If they wanted to change their system twice a year, you have to go halves with them. And that could cost you 10, 15 grand every time that they change the system. Number 3, if you don't get on with your neighbours, and there's a problem with a blockage down your pipe, they may not allow you access or make it very hard for you to get access to it. That's just a little window into all the problems connected to a shared septic tank. So let me show you a really simple solution, right? You've got 2 options. Option number 1, you can get a firm in, right? And they can put a new septic tank and soak away system in for you. That will cost you 10, 15, 20,000 quid. But what I recommend is you go on to Google and you type in septic tank soak away kit. Go into Google, type in septic tank soak away kit. Then, depending on the number of bedrooms, you can buy a kit which will allow you to do this. It takes about 2 hours to install this complete septic tank and soak away kit. So if you've never installed a septic tank before, then I recommend, please don't. This is an amazing solution. That it's so much fun to put in. It's so easy to put in. It'll save you 15 grand, right? You get your septic tank and soak away kit. It comes with a tank. It comes with the pipes. It comes with the soak away. And all that you do is this, right? You dig a hole down your garden, right? And you put one of these new septic tanks in. They're called a bullet septic tank because they look like a bullet. They're really shallow and they don't need any concreting, right? So you put your tank in. You then put the soak away in, which consists of something called drainage field crates, right? And that's it. You dig 2 small holes, right? It takes you about an hour to dig them. Then all that you do is you cut yourself off from your neighbour's pipe, just like that. Literally cut it in half. You then spur off here into your new septic tank. You don't have to come off at that angle. You could cut it off, say, if you wanted to, from here. Okay, I'm just doing this for illustrative purposes. So you could come off here and then run a pipe straight down into your septic tank. But once you've done that, you then would run a pipe straight from your tank into your soak away. So then all your waste will come from your house now into your septic tank and into your new soak away. And there you go. So that is why I love doing these videos, because I wish someone had told me about this when I got into the business 10 years ago. In fact, I had to do all this research and find out what I can or couldn't do. I ended up putting my own system in and cut myself off from a neighbour's garden. It was amazing. The relief, the joy was incredible. Not only did we save, right, we saved Flipping heck, I would say at least 10,000 quid getting a septic tank and soak away kit. And there you go. And it means when you come to sell your house, no hassle, no problem, because you've got your own septic tank and soak away in, and let your neighbours get on with their system. Let them empty it 3, 4, 5 times a week if they want, but you don't have to go halves anymore. You're not part of any neighbour wars or legal wrangling anymore. So there you go. That is my tip for the day if you're on a shared septic tank. So thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to Septic Tank TV. And if you subscribe, right, to my Septic Tank TV channel, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soak away kit. So you take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.